Welcome to Basic Calculus.
Hello to everyone. Today, I'm going to show you on how to solve the derivatives of trigonometric functions. So, in this lesson, kailangan natin tandaan na meron tayong 6 na derivatives of trigonometric functions. So, lagi natin silang tatandaan. So, the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. And the next one, the derivative of cosine x is equal to negative sine x. And the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant squared x. And the derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. And the next, the derivative of cosecant x is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x. And the last, the derivative of cotangent x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. So, ngayon, i-apply natin siya sa mga given natin. So, for example, number 1, f of x is equal to 8 sine x. So, we all know that the derivative of sine x is equal to cosecant x. So, that will be f prime of x is equal to 8 times cosecant x. So, when we simplify the equation, the answer will be f prime of x is equal to 8 cosecant x. So, the next sample, f of x is equal to negative 7 tangent x. So, same process sa number 1. So, but this time, ang kukunin nating derivative is tangent x. So, the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant squared x. So, that will be f prime of x is equal to negative 7 times secant squared x. And simplify it. The answer will be f prime of x is equal to negative 7 secant squared x. So, lagi rin natin tatandaan na pag ginahanap natin is derivative, kailangan may prime siya. Like this, f prime of x. So, another example. 8 for number 3. Y is equal to 2 cosecant x. Again, same process lang din siya. So, kukunin natin yung derivative ng cosecant x. So, that will be y prime is equal to 2 times negative cosecant x cotangent x. So, simplify it again. The answer will be y prime is equal to negative 2 cosecant x cotangent x. So, next, for number 4, the given is y is equal to 4x cosecant x. So, sa function na ito, pwede natin gamitan siya ng product rule, which is the part of differentiation rules. So, in product rule, alam naman natin na ang formula for product rule is f of x times the derivative of g of x plus the g of x times the derivative of f of x. So f of x natin dito is 4x and the g of x natin is cosecant x. So, f of x times the derivative of g of x, which is the derivative of cosine x, is equal to negative sine x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x, which is 4x, and the derivative of this is 4. So, we get y prime is equal to 4x times negative sine x plus cosecant x is equal times 4. So, when we simplify it, the answer will be y prime is equal to negative 4x sine x plus 4 cosine x. So, for number 5, g of x is equal to 2 cotangent x plus 6x squared. So, kukunin natin yung derivative ng cotangent x at 6x squared. So, the derivative of cotangent x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. And the derivative of 6x squared, so 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So, 12x. So, we get g prime of x is equal to 2 times negative cosecant squared x plus 12x. So, when we simplify it again, the answer will be g g prime of x is equal to negative 2 cosecant squared x plus 12x. So let's proceed for number 6. So t of x is equal to e raised to x secant x. So in this example, we will use again product rule. So again, in product rule, f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x. So f of x natin is e raised to x and g of x natin is secant x. So f of x is e of x and the derivative of secant x, which is secant x tangent x, plus g of x, which is secant x, and the derivative of f of x, e raised to x. So, pag kinuha natin yung derivative ng e raised to x natin, same lang siya. So, the derivative niya is parehas lang sa kanya na e raised to x. So, simplify it again, we get t prime of x is equal to e raised to x secant x tangent x plus secant x e raised to x. So, for number 7, y is equal to 3e raised to x minus 5x cosecant x. So, same process for number 6. Pero, iiwanan natin yung 3e raised to x. So, hindi naman na natin siya papansinin kasi pag kinuha naman natin yung derivative niya, same lang din siya. Kasi, ang derivative ng 3e raised to x is, is same lang siya. The derivative niya is 3e raised to x lang din. So, dito tayo mag-focus sa 5x cosecant x. So, we use product rule again. So, f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x. So, f of x, which is 5x, and the derivative of g of x of cosine x, that will be negative sine x, plus cosine x, which is g of x, and the derivative of 5x is equal to 5. And simplify it, y prime is equal to 3e raised to x plus 5x sine x. Kaya siya naging plus, negative times negative, it will be positive, and negative times positive, it will be negative. So, 5 cosine x. So, for next given equation, f of x is equal to 7x raised to 4 tangent x. So, again, we will use product rule. So, f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x. So, f of x, which is 7x raised to 4, and the derivative of tangent x, which is secant squared x plus tangent x times the derivative of f of x, which is 7x raised to 4. So, 4 times 7, that will be 28. So, 4 minus 1, that will be cube. So, 3. So, we get f prime of x is equal to 7x raised to 4 times secant squared x plus tangent x times 28x raised to 3. 28x cubed. So, the answer will be f prime of x is equal to 7x raised to 4 secant squared x plus 28x cubed tangent x. So, pwede rin siyang magkabaliktad. Pwede rin siya magkabaliktad siya ng lugar. Kuwari, ito mauuna dito. Pwede rin siyang ganun. Kasi same value lang naman siya. So, for number 9, f of x is equal to 3 sine squared x. So, first, sine squared x can be expressed by this, sine x squared. So, because when we are going to distribute this, that will be sine squared x lang din siya. So, sine x times the derivative of sine x, which is cosecant x, so distribute lang natin to, kaya naging 2 sine x. 2 times sine x is equal to 2 sine x, And kukunin natin yung derivative ng sine x, which is cosecant x. So, solve na natin tong dalawa. So, we get 2 sine x cosecant x. So, may 3 pa tayo dito sa kabila. So, we get f prime of x is equal to 3 times 2 sine x cosecant x. So, when we simplify it, 2 times 3, 6. So, the answer will be f prime of x is equal to 6 sine x cosecant x. So, for last example, we have y is equal to sine x over e raised to x. So, let's get the derivative of sine x, which is cosecant x. So, we will use rule dito for number 10. So, pwede natin gamitin yung quotient rule. So, pag ginamit tayo yung quotient rule, wherein the derivative of f of x over g of x is equal to g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x over g of x squared. So, magiging e raised to x times cosine x minus sine x times the derivative of g of x, which is e raised to x over g of x squared, which is e raised to x squared. So, then multiply natin yung nasa numerator. That will be e raised to x cosecant x minus e raised to x sine x over e raised to 2x. So, thank you for watching, and that's how you solve the derivative of trigonometric function. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you learned something.